get that from 601 Salvage? Are they wide enough?
Yeah.
Well, man, that looks like a good haul right there. Did you get that today? Any 6-inch boards in there?
All of them. Yeah. Those are cypress though.
They're what? Cypress?
These are cypress. That one I think fine. Now the more I look at it, I'm trying to find cypress for a 5/4. There ain't a whole lot of it over there.
No. That's hard to come by. It's old because they started using pine, I think in 1850. They went to pine completely, heart pine here in Natchez. They have written stuff from the sawmills where they switched to pine. Well, so are you gonna go ahead and pull out the whole middle section and then kind of piece repair the other spots? That's what I was kind of thinking.
Use up my longer pieces.
Yeah.
And try and get rid of some of those little short pieces.
Yeah. That's the problem. Cool, buddy. Hey, little man. I'll take one more walk around before we go home and see Mama. We'll go see Mama. Mama Tet, what you doing? You doing your mama thing? Okay, see ya. See ya, Mama. Got stuff to do. Miss Hope headed back to Arkansas. We'll leave it in these guys' capable hands for a while. Are these our shims or did they put those there? They were there, okay. They've done some interesting work here. They've done some interesting work.
Anyway, that looks kind of rough though.
It does. It looks pretty rough, but those are some big timbers holding this house together, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's one of our it's one of our fire preventions. What'd you say, bud? Eddie back here? Is Eddie back here? So this is what was down there, and it is actually still full of liquid. So this is your early fire prevention safety, and it's hooked up on little hook there, and it's got screwed into the beam, and they're all over. We're all over. I think this may be the only one we have left, and it is still full of liquid. So this is a really cool old artifact. Very cool thing to have. I need to take this home and show Lane.
So if I see one of them, that's what that is.
Huh? Yeah, those braces are all over down there. It's just we don't have these glass bulbs, man. They've all been broken at some point. So what else we've discovered is there is a rigid steel beam under this. So you can see that they've got little supports on both sides of this center beam. But there is I guess, flat I-beam underneath it, maybe?
Flat steel?
Or flat steel beam that goes all the way down the center here. So, I mean, that should give us some nice support. But look how old this beam is, y'all. This is from 1775, this beam right here. These floors probably are too, most of it. But look at this construction. It's incredible. Y'all are looking at history right there. Working on it?
Yeah. It's pretty good.
That's all right. Just leave it. There are plenty of those down there.
Okay.
I'll get it when I get back. But all right, man. I'm heading out. Y'all hold down the fort. Goodbye, Natchez. Goodbye. Goodbye, Natchez. Here we come, Arkansas. I want to see my Lane Eden.
huge shipment of dresses today. For those of you who are asking, this is how they show up. You can see that this box has now exploded since I untaped it. That's because they pack them in so tightly that once you untape the box, they literally start popping out of the box. They've been released. So, and what's crazy about this factory, they sent me the same number of dresses in 2 boxes. There's another one over there. That the other manufacturer sent me in 4 the other day. So that tells you how tightly they packed these. But these are darling. Look at these little heat set stones. It's got a little fluffy little skirt. Anyway, I'll show you the actual dresses in a little bit. Now we have the very glamorous process of putting them in the car and getting them to the store.
Everybody look, look. Look, it's Lane, look.
It's sick Lane.
Sick Lane. I came down here for her to give me her sickness.
Yeah, I hope not.
Hope not. Door is coming along. She got all her stanchions. Isn't that fancy? And she's done with her window. This is the back side. I'm not going to show you all of it yet. Sneak peek. That's all you get to see. Then we'll show you the rest. There's her fancy chandelier. Look how cool that is. Things are happening here, people. What you think about it, baby?
Yay!
Is it nice?
Yes. Oh, I love it. Me neither.
Unbelievable.
Wow. It's better than I thought.
Ah, it's got great depth, doesn't it?
You know me, I was always very into layers and depth and... Oh, you're getting a reflection.
I know. Where did you get the collar for her?
Amazon.
This one, your sarcophagus is amazing. All your little
Shop piece.
shop tees.